U.S. markets. Bloomberg's Sarah Ponczek is standing by in New York. Sarah, another day in the red, even with positive steps on trade and strong retail sales. Why the pessimism?
Right. We did get strong retail sales numbers in the U.S. this morning and some more steps on the trade front. But if you look at the markets right now, the S&P, the NASDAQ, the Dow, all either at or near 2% losses. And for the S&P, that brings it down about 1% or so for the week. So a lot of people are pointing to weak data from overseas, whether that be in China or Europe, bringing into focus thoughts of a global slowdown, as we have been hearing and people have been surmising about over the past couple weeks or months. But today we got some more data to affirm it. And also it comes down to the fact that we're heading into the weekend, and all week long there has not been a lot of conviction surrounding these markets, investors wanting to get in. We really haven't seen that yet, and today we're just seeing that people don't want to have much risk heading into the weekend.
And then, of course, healthcare is leading losses today. Tell us why.
So as you guys were just discussing, of course, Johnson & Johnson does play a big role in this. However, if you look at the S&P 500 healthcare sector, every single stock is in the red except for one. So it has spread across, and healthcare is down more than 3%. It's having its worst day since February. And this is quite the turn for the sector, because lately we've been seeing healthcare as a place that investors have been running to. It's the best performing sector so far this year. So the performance we're seeing today, yes, led down by Johnson & Johnson, is not something that we've been used to recently.
And then two companies that actually reported earnings were Costco and Adobe. How are they faring?
Right, so Adobe and Costco both reported earnings yesterday after the close. Today, they're not doing too hot. Both are in the worst 10 worst performing stocks in the S&P 500 today, alongside Johnson & Johnson. So if you look at Adobe, they actually missed on earnings for the first time since 2013. So investors are clearly taking notice. We saw a couple price target cuts there, and we saw a couple price target cuts when it comes to Costco as well. They actually missed on sales, but by $500 million, so a large amount. So both are down near 7 or 8% today, and really weighing on the indices as well.
All right, thanks.